Airwallex's batch transfers enable efficient mass payouts, e.g., payroll, suppliers, in 50+ currencies across 100+ countries, with low fees, 0–1%, and high success rates. Use the web app for file uploads or API for automation. Web app method, easiest for non-tech users. Log in to Airwallex dashboard, airwallex.com, go to Payments, Batch Transfers, download template, select currencies, methods, for example ACH, SEPA, FPS, generate Excel file with columns for recipient name, email, IBAN, amount, reference, fill and upload file, enter batch name, jar remarks, upload, Airwallex validates, flags errors like invalid IBANs, review and edit, fix invalids, proceed with valid ones, download error report for fixes, submit. If approvals enabled, route for review. Once approved, batch schedules, same day for local rails. API method for developers. Call Create Batch Transfer API, specify funding source, wallet, direct debit, items up to 1,000, currency, post to API/v1/pa/batch-transfers. Manage via webhooks.